In this video I'm going to show you how to remove swiping up to unlock your device once you are at lock screen. Let me show you how it works. I can lock my device, then press on power button, and now I have to swipe up to go to the home screen, but there is a simple trick how you can not to swipe but make a double tap on back side of your iPhone, and as you can see I have just been moved to the home screen. And now let me show you how you can enable this feature at your device. So first just go into settings, then scroll down until you find accessibility. Next hit add touch, and there scroll all the way down until the very bottom. Here we got back tap feature. Get into it, and now you can hit a double tap. By default it's set to none, but you can select home. And now if you make double tap on that edge, on that side of your device, it moves you to home screen. Even from here I can make double tap and it moves me to the home screen. That's pretty nice feature. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.